In a pristine, snowy forest, cold fog weaves through ancient trees, illuminated by bright sunlight. Two large gray wolves fiercely battle over a bloody piece of meat. High above, a massive golden eagle circles slowly, its keen eyes fixed on the struggle below. Suddenly, it folds its wings and dives downward at extreme speed. The wolves, momentarily stunned by the sudden shadow, pause their fight. As they try to react, the eagle executes a perfect side tilt maneuver. With incredible speed, the eagle delivers a strong wing slap, forcing the wolves to step back. In one swift motion, it snatches the meat with its sharp talons,